Hey, what's up? When you try to update iOS 15, what should you do if it prompts that the software update failed? Today this video will show you how to fix the iOS 15 update not installed. Method 1. Check iPhone storage remaining. When iPhone storage is nearly full, software updates won't be available. You need to delete some unnecessary apps in your iPhone to free up storage. Then you can update your iPhone. Method 2. Fix iOS update with PassFab iPhone Unlocker. First, back up iPhone data with iCloud. Click the link in the instructions below to get the software. Connect the iPhone to the computer. Run PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Click Start. Check the disclaimer and click Next. PassFab iPhone Unlocker will provide the latest firmware for your iPhone. Click Download. Click Start Remove. Wait for the iPhone update to complete. iPhone update is complete. On the Apps and Data page, select Restore Data from iCloud Backup. OK, now check the software version. It is the latest version. That's all for today. Click the link in the description and try the PassFab iPhone Unlocker. If you think this video is helpful, please give me a big thumbs up. See you next video.